How do different learning styles impact the way people absorb and retain information? Different learning styles refer to the ways in which people prefer to learn new information. There are many different models of learning styles, but a commonly used one identifies three main categories: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer to learn through seeing, so they may benefit from the use of charts, diagrams, and other visual aids. They may also prefer to take notes in a way that allows them to visually organize the information they are learning. Auditory learners prefer to learn through hearing, so they may benefit from lectures, discussions, and other verbal explanations of new material. They may also prefer to take notes by listening and writing down key points, rather than trying to visually organize the information. Kinesthetic learners prefer to learn through hands-on experiences, so they may benefit from activities that allow them to manipulate objects or engage in experiential learning. They may also prefer to take notes by actively participating in the learning process, rather than passively listening or looking at visual aids. It is important to note that most people do not fit neatly into just one of these categories, and many people have a combination of learning styles. Additionally, the ways in which people absorb and retain information can be influenced by a number of other factors, such as their personal interests, their prior knowledge and experiences, and their motivation to learn. Research has shown that people tend to learn more effectively when material is presented in a way that aligns with their preferred learning style. For example, visual learners may be more successful in learning a new task when they are shown a diagram or other visual representation of how to do it, while auditory learners may benefit more from having the task explained to them through verbal instructions. However, it is important to note that people can learn effectively using any of the learning styles, and that it is possible to adapt one's approach to learning based on the material being presented. For example, a visual learner may find it helpful to create a chart or diagram to help them understand a new concept, while an auditory learner may benefit from discussing the concept with others or listening to a lecture on the topic. In conclusion, different learning styles can impact the way people absorb and retain information by influencing the way they prefer to receive and process new material. By understanding their own learning style and adapting their approach to learning accordingly, people can increase their chances of success in absorbing and retaining new information.